What's up guys? Babalik na naman tayo sa vlog natin. So, for today, after the race season, since tapos na ako maglaro, ayoko na mag-compete ulit. So, next year na ulit. So, ibabalik na natin yung yung ating bike sa road legal. Pero actually, yung bike naman natin, yung CF Moto 450 SR natin is, pa rin naman siya, road legal pa lang naman siya. Siguro kami lang yung nagko-compete na naka-original yung fairings, lahat nakakabit. Ang pinapalitan lang namin is yung gulong, nag-change lang kami ng gear ratio, ng mga sprocket, yan, mga ganyan. Pero yung mga kasama namin sa racetrack, mga naka-fully set up, including yung race fairings. So, kaya sa akin, madali para sa akin na ibalik ka agad sa pang daily or pang weekend or pang road legal yung yung bike natin. So ngayon gagawin natin, mag-change lang tayo ng gulong from racing tire to stock tires. So tara, samahan niyo ako.
Show me that you feel the same as I do. If you turn it around away, that's fine too.
So here's our CF Moto 450 SR.
Serving. Take no orders, but I'm serving. That little mama got me swerving. Look like it's working, look like it's working. Serving. Take no orders, but I'm serving. That little mama got me swerving. Look like it's working, look like it's working. You know it's floss when I come to be ready. I hate when she act like she don't look amazing. There's paper on me like confetti. Stirring the pot of spaghetti, swinging the wheel like machete. I think you deserve a lot more attention. I'm about to start calling you Kelly. Hey, limited runs, yeah, count out the funds, yeah, brandy fit, yeah, throwback ones, yeah, she ain't equipped, yeah, she tryna run, yeah, I can't resist, yeah, I get it done, yeah, yeah. She fell in love with me, she want my company. Ooh, customer service, can't get enough of me. Drinking that bubbly, did it on purpose. You know I'm more than that. Tell for a big bag, making a purchase. Wait, let me call you back. I need a car that's black. Nigga, I'm serving. Take no orders, but I'm serving. That little mama got me swerving. Look like it's working, look like it's working. Serving. Take no orders, but I'm serving. That little mama got me swerving. Look like it's working, look like it's working. Hey, you know I got flavor, can't explain where I get it. In the mirror, looking like a million, everything exquisite. In the whip, got the bass on tip, window shaking crazy. Yeah, I'm leaning lazy. Yeah, I love my baby, but I wish she would hurry up. Trying to go get active. She been getting ready for some hours, she attractive. Matter of fact, before we hit the function, let me ask you, how about we just stay inside and get straight to some action? Hey. Serving. Take no orders, but I'm serving. That little mama got me swerving. Look like it's working, look like it's working. Serving. Take no orders, but I'm serving. That little mama got me swerving. Look like it's working, look like it's working. Stacking every month, put that work in. I deserve to stand. Bring the back to the front. It's the type of life that I want. It's the type of life that I want. It's the type of life that I want, yeah, yeah, yeah. It's the type of life that I want. It's the type of life that I want. Look, I deserve some time away. I feel good cause I'm posted. Just won't put my feet in the sand. Ain't tryna be far.
So, yun, medyo pinag-pawis na tayo. So nakabit na natin yung stock tire ng back tsaka yung front. So pwede na tayong mag-chill ride sa kalsada. And of course, syempre, hindi pa pwede na mag-ride tayo na hindi natin ilaalagaan yung chain. So kailangan we have always to maintain our chain with recommended chemicals or chain spray. So gagamitin natin yung wala na iba kundi Worth. Yeah, Worth chain spray. So sabi dito, special rule lubricant with waxes and additives for lubricating of chains and accessories with anti-wear properties. So subok na natin to, no? Subok na natin to. We always use this Worth chain spray. So subok na natin to. We always use this. Alright, so dapat lagi tayo we always maintain our bike with recommended and high quality products like Worth. So it always ensure that our bikes are always in good shape. So they also have both chain spray. They have this chain cleaner, brake cleaner, electrical contact cleaner, syempre yung engine oil for motorcycle, especially for our bike, and they have a lot of products. So for now we will use this chain spray. Then sa next vlog natin, we will change our oil using Worth. So yun, maraming salamat sa pagsama nyo, and that's it. See you on the next vlog.